Their function is to drain seminal fluid into prostatic urethra. Prostate, a fibromuscular granule organ surrounding prostatic urethra, size 2 × 3 × 4 cm, weighs about 20 grams. Location lies between bladder, neck, and urogenital diaphragm, enclosed by fibrous capsule, cone-shaped with a base and an apex. The two ejaculatory duct pierce its posterior surface and open into prostatic urethra. Prostate lobes. The prostate is incompletely divided into 5 lobes. Anterior lobe lies in front of urethra, devoid of granular tissue. Medial lobe, wedge of gland between urethra and ejaculatory ducts, reaching glands. Upper surface related to bladder trigone. Posterior lobe, situated behind the urethra and pro-ejaculatory ducts, contains granular tissue. Right and left lateral lobes lie on each side of urethra, separated by a shallow groove posteriorly, contain many glands. Prostatic urethra, 3 cm long, starting at bladder neck, passes through prostate from its base to its apex, becoming continuous with membranous urethra. It is widest and most dilated part of entire urethra. Features a long ridge on its posterior wall called urethra crust. On each side of urethral crust is a prostate sinus into which prostatic glands open. At the summit of urethra crust is prostatic uterus. At the depletion, ejaculatory ducts open at its mouth. Function of prostate. The prostate produces a thin milky fluid containing citric acid and acid phosphatase. Smooth muscle surrounding glands squeeze this secretion into prostatic urethra during ejaculation. The prostatic secretion is alkaline and helps neutralize vaginal acidity. Blood supply of prostate. Arteries, branches of inferior vesicle and middle rectal arteries. Veins from prostatic venous plexus, which receives deep dorsal vein of penis and vesicle veins and drain into internal iliac veins. Lymph drainage, drain to internal iliac nodes. Nerve supply, innervated by inferior hypogastric plexuses. Sympathetic nerves stimulate prostate's smooth muscle during ejaculation. Prourethral glands, paired round glands, 3 to 5 mm in diameter, located in urogenital diaphragm, empties into proximal part of pineal urethra, composed tubercles with mucosa secreting simple columnar epithelium dependent on testosterone. During erection, they receive a clear mucus-like secretion containing carbs. This secretion coats and lubricates urethra lining in preparation for sperm passage. Penis has a fixed root and a free hanging body. Delivers sperm into female reproductive tract. Structures: root, shaft, glans, penis. Precuce: root